This is the brief on using movies to master English. We're totally ditching boring textbooks for authentic slang and real accents, so think of this as your practical guide to transforming regular movie nights into highly effective real-world language lessons. First, you've got to choose the right film for your level. Treat movie genres kind of like weightlifting, right? You want to start with the lightweights, family films like Finding Nemo or The Lion King, for that simpler language. Once you build up some muscle, move on up to intermediate picks like Harry Potter. Eventually, you'll absolutely be ready to lift the heavy, dramatic vocabulary and advanced stuff like Inception or The King's Speech. Okay, so once you pick a movie, second, manage your subtitles and pacing. Are subtitles just a crutch, or are they training wheels? Well, if you want to force your ears to do the work, treat them like training wheels that you systematically remove over time. Start with your native language subtitles, switch to English once you're comfortable, and eventually watch without them entirely. And hey, definitely pause a tricky dialogue or replay scenes to really catch the rhythm and pronunciation. But how do you actually lock that new language in? Finally, make it active through shadowing and journaling. Stop just being a passive audience member and pretend you're literally the lead actor's understudy. Try shadowing by repeating lines exactly as spoken to mimic the intonation, stress, and emotion. Keep a quick movie journal to jot down new idioms and write short reviews, or make it interactive by discussing the film online. Grab your popcorn, because with this active approach, every film becomes a classroom and every character your new favorite teacher.